know the half of it. I got dreams of looking up, high as I can get. But nothing feels like how it feels to know these things I don't know yet. The weight of everything, and everything's just thread. Sometimes I'm trapped inside and I don't know what I'm gonna do. But to take on the world is the only thing that we know how to do. I've got dreams of finding out what all of this is for. It's you and me. And everywhere we go it leads to an open door. We made our mistakes, the good and bad days, but nothing really breaks if I got you. Look at the sky when you go outside, and know there is nothing to keep me back from you. I got dreams of finding out what all of this is for. It's you and me, and know there is nothing. And everywhere we go, we're leading to an open door. Keep me back, keep me back from you. Keep me back, keep me back, keep me back.
I gotta get back up, yeah, I gotta go and get that flame. Yeah, I ain't really gonna go tap out now, man, I don't wanna be the same. My life, I changed, I grabbed it down, rearranged. Yeah, everything all around, cause I don't wanna be a saint. I don't wanna be like you though, I just wanna be like me. Kick their ass like judo, Hudo, Hendrix and Hudo. I'm coming through though, I'm back with all the bars. I'm tearing this shit all apart. Yeah, I gotta do it, man, I gotta make it, I gotta go just be a star. I gotta go be a star, I'ma tear it all apart. Man, I gotta be the one, I don't care what I got. I just gotta rise up now, I just gotta do my thing when I'm number one. Whoa, I ain't coming second, I'm coming first because of my habits. I was just working, man, I was just said it. Now I just gotta show my perspective. Chill. Oh damn dog, well I'm back dark and I'm coming like a Mexican standoff. Y'all ain't ready for this. Hey, I'll be a king when I grab all. Yeah, all the things that I done want. Hey, all the things that I'ma need. Cause I'ma go kill these enemies. I'ma go make them be. Cause I'm really gonna get it, man. I'm working, man. I get it, man. I gotta go and do it, man. I'm back on my own. I don't really care what the competition gonna say, man. I just get a word, man. I'm Al Capone when I do my business. I've been in this. I'ma just going so hard. And I'ma just give it my all. Man, I'ma just give it my heart. Hey, that's what it is though. Back in the biz though. I don't wanna answer questions quick though. I don't wanna just talk to you. I just wanna go do my thing though. So I work in the dark, swim in the sheet when I feel like a shark. I'ma just do it and tear it apart. Only to be the champ, I'll be the dog, yeah. You gotta fight for your life, you just gotta fight to survive. You just gotta go give it all. be alive. Instead of why to just living, yeah, living just to survive. Man, is that really just worth it? I don't think so, alright. So better go find the motivation, yeah, better go find the drive. Yeah.
Let's get lost tonight. You can be my black cake monster tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a fuck what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real shit anymore? Bow in the presence of greatness. Cause right now, God is forsaking us. You should be honored by my lateness. That I will even show up to this fake shit. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit. Especially my best girl and my babe shit. Act like you can tell we'll make this. New gospel, homie, take 6. And take this. Haters, that don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now. Cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now. Cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That is how long I've been on ya. Got me saying a lot, but I know that God put you in front of me. So how the hell could you front of me? Cause in thousand years there's only one of me. I'm tripping, I'm caught up in the moment, right? Cause it's Louis Vuitton all night. So we gon' do everything that can't like. Gotta do anything for a Klondike. Well, I'll do anything for a Blondike. And she would do anything for the limelight. And we will do anything when the time's right. Baby, you making it. That don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now. Cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now. Cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya.
Yes, I'll be your woman, yes, I'll be your baby. Yes, I'll be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I'll be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm there for you, baby. Best believe that when you need that, I'll provide that, you will always have it. I'll be on deck, keep it in check. When you need that, I'ma let you have it. It's in my drum like the midnight. I love the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name like you're my mama, my mama. Banging the drum like the midnight. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like you're my mama, my mama. Whole crew got the juice, you did gang the truth. My screams is the proof, the mother dudes get the deuce. I might speed in the coupe, leaving this interview. It ain't nothing new, I've been fucking with you. None of the bitches taking you, just tell her to make it you, huh? That's how it be, I come first like they used, huh? So baby, when you need that, give me the word, I'm no good, I'll be bad for my baby. I make sure that he's getting the shade. I make sure that his baby take care. I make sure mama toes on my knees, keep him please, wrap him down, be a lady in the figure. Bringing a drum like the midnight. I know you want it in the worst way. I wanna hear you calling my name like hey mama, mama, hey mama.
my ear, you would think that she know me. I decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. She said, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, yeah, yeah. Shorty got down low, said, come and get me. Yeah, yeah. I get so caught up, I forgot.